think the industry has recognized and remembered again in recent times just how globally dependent oil and gas flows are. And if gas prices are volatile, or at least unpredictable, it may be that another solution is quite cost competitive. There's no doubt that any industry, manufacturing included, needs to chart a path to a cleaner future. I'm excited because tonight gave some evidence that people who are already on that journey have seen benefits sooner than they expected. It does feel like momentum has really grown, and that makes me delighted to see, because there is a lot to be gained from understanding the options. Reach out if you think you need a bit of support framing up a project, and reach out to people who are active in the industry, because I guarantee everyone wants to help you understand what's out there.